Mino was a little turtle who lived in the Lake of Whispers. The lake was calm, and the stars came to visit each night, but Mino didn't like his shell. "It's too bumpy," he said, "too slow." One night, he looked into the lake. The moon was shining. It looked like a mirror. "Moon," whispered Mino, "can I be shiny like you?" The moon blinked gently. "You already shine," she said. "Your shell holds the stories of your journey." "But I'm not fast," said Mino. "You don't have to be," said the moon. "You carry your home. That is your strength." Mino sat quietly. He looked at the ripples on the water. He saw his reflection, small but steady. The moonlight touched his shell. The bumps and lines looked like tiny maps. Then Mino realized each mark told a story, a flower he had smelled, a quiet moment shared with a friend, a windy hill he had climbed with care. "If I'm slow," thought Mino, "I can feel things more deeply." The song of birds, the whisper of the wind, the warmth of kindness. And in that moment, he smiled at his shell for the first time. He didn't want to be fast anymore, because moving slowly let him feel the world more clearly. There was meaning in his pace and light in his depth. Maybe the softest light comes from the quietest place. What do you think?